Maybe I shouldn't show you everything. It's clean though.
Surprise, motherfucker!
Oh, you suck ass.
But it's plastic, it's flimsy. This is the flushing part. So as you can see, there is no lip on this, and it's also very tiny. It's only the size of my hand. I just want you to see this toilet bowl is only the size of my hand. We are definitely upgrading the toilet bowl size. And then when you flush, let me switch hands here. So let's say you did your number 2. Now I have to come all the way down here, put my head in the bowl. But I just went number 2 in. Add some water. And then flush.
Man, you are one pathetic loser.